Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Luna of Light, and for today's video I will be telling you how to create your own new moon ritual. So the first thing you'll want to do is track the moon's phase so you know when the new moon arrives. Here's the moon phase calendar of 2021 to help you track every phase of the moon for this year. Now that you know when the next new moon phase is, it is time to choose your magic intention or intentions. The new moon is associated with new beginnings and setting intentions for the upcoming lunar cycle. This phase is not the same as the dark moon. These lunar phases have been mistakenly used as one, which not necessarily might work in your favor. They have different energies and should be celebrated separately. What is the new moon and why is it different from the dark moon? The new moon is the first lunar phase, and it appears when the tiny crescent is beginning to be visible in the sky. This can happen anytime between 1.5 and 3.5 days after the dark moon. When you look outside and you can spot a tiny light coming from the crescent, it means the time for setting intentions is finally here. Energetically, the new moon represents the first glimpse of action after the introspective magic of the dark moon. I would highly recommend waiting until you can actually see the illuminated crescent with the naked eye, as this would bring the best results for magic. Here's a list of magic intentions for the new moon: change, perspective, new ideas, planning, new beginnings, new relationships, exploring opportunities, fertility, taking action, moving forward, self-development, activities, interactions, potential, business growth, interviews, job promotion, moving out, shopping, clean state, manifestations, affirmations, and intentions. The new moon is a great time to write down your intention or intentions. 1 to 3 specific intentions are enough. Don't try and bring everything at once, as the universe won't know where to send the energy in the first place. Also, your focus might travel from one idea to another, not giving enough support to what really needs to flourish during that time. The intention is the first step to a successful manifestation. It is simply a wish for a positive change. You should state it in a positive manner that brings all the happy to the surface. It doesn't have to be very detailed. Just knowing what you want to bring more of it in your life would be a great start. Unfortunately, the intention on its own won't bring the change. Once you've chosen the intentions that you wish to work on during the next couple of weeks, it's time to create powerful affirmations. You can start by writing what these specific intentions mean to you. Remember to state it in a way that encourages growth and positive emotions. At this point, you need to really know in clear detail what you want to manifest. If you wish for more abundance in your life, you can write a few sentences like this: I earn $500 a week. I can afford to buy myself coconut water every day. I can support those in need. As you can see, all these sentences are in present tense, and they bring emotions that are specific to your chosen intention. Now is the time that your intention and affirmation come to work together. Write down 1 to 3 specific affirmations on a piece of paper and place it underneath your pillow. Every day until the full moon, read, visualize, and feel your affirmations as if they're already true. You can do this anytime you want, yet for better results, repeat them right before you go to sleep and straight when you wake up, because during these times of day, our subconsciousness is highly receptive to any thoughts we feed it. 2 weeks of the waxing moon will help your manifestation grow bigger and bigger. To enhance these intentions even more, during a full moon, you can perform a ritual that will fast forward all your wishes. Okay guys, well that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed my video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will bring you more videos just like this. And always remember to stay blessed, stay positive, and always do good, that good deeds are always rewarded by the universe. Until next time, have an amazing day or night wherever you may be. Bye!